Alright, so what we're going to show you here today is how to install your Basket Buddy into your fryer basket. The Basket Buddy comes with 7 clips, so all we need to do is place them in the proper positions. You're going to do one up here on the front of the basket. Just take your clip, put it between the basket and the liner, snap it into place. I'm going to do 2 on the back side here, on either side of the handle. All you gotta do with these clips is just put them down there and snap them in place. I'm gonna do 2 on either side, about 1/3 of the way. There you go. The Basket Buddy is now ready to use.